Hi, my name is Anthony Alvo, and I'm the owner of Menace Baits. If you live in the Northeast like me, you probably thought winter wasn't coming this year. Well, obviously we're wrong. So this is a video to give you some tips and tricks to get through the winter. You know, I think I got a bite. Oh. Tip number 1. Invest in a quality boat cover to protect your investment from the mounds of snow you'll be getting this winter, so that when spring comes, you'll be ready to ride. Tip number 2. Invest in a quality snowblower like that guy over there to move all the mounds of snow you're going to receive this winter. Keep up the good work. When fishing this winter, stay warm. Bring a jacket. Get some hand warmers. Especially when the ice starts to accumulate on your skin. Oh, that doesn't look good. Oh, no. Tip number 4. If you live in the Northeast like me, contact your local realtor today and look into selling your home and moving down south to a warmer place like Florida or Texas or Georgia or anywhere else in the nation without this white stuff. Come on! You know what? If you live in the Northeast, just stay inside this winter. Go home, cuddle up by the fire, and stock up on your fishing gear for the next season. For example, go home, go on the internet and visit www.menacebaits.com and stock up on the most weedless and snag-proof jigs on the market so you're ready for ice off this year. Take a look at these jigs. Menace Baits hand makes the most weedless and snag-proof jigs on the market. First we have our football head, which has a skirt collar and a skirt directly attached to the head. Behind that, we have a free swinging offset hook, which allows you to Texas rig your favorite plastic or trailer, making this jig virtually weedless. Here we go. And just like that, you have the most weedless and snag-proof jig on the market. So stop wishing you were fishing and just go visit www.menacebaits.com today and stock up on the best jigs on the market. One more cast.